Today's topic is to count all of the occurrences of a particular character in a string. There are five methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach. Method 2, by using a count method. Method 3, by using a counter method. And the method 4, by using the sum map and a lambda function. And the method 5, by using a regular expression. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our string and a count variable, and after that we are going to go through each and every element of our string 1, and we are having a condition that if the particular element tends to be a, then we are incrementing the value of a count by +1, and after that we have them as an output. So over here we are particularly counting the letter a into our string, and the answer we get is the 6.